Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Agile plugin on Bitnami Redmine virtual image on VirtualBox. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to download the very latest Agile version, that is 166 by now. Afterward, you have to open your VirtualBox. And start your virtual machine, or in other words, the Bitnami Redmine, which in our case latest version it is Redmine 5.1.1 stable version. Okay, so we wait to load. Right, so now we log in. Okay, so please note that the IP address that is our Redmine is just a starting message here, so it could be changed anytime, and in our case it is a different IP. So if you would like to check it, you can type hostname I. So it is located on 41 and not on 36. Okay, so let's go there and see what is happening. Okay, we wait a little bit to load. Alright, so I have already logged in as user. This is the standard user and password here. However, of course, you can change it anytime if you wish. Alright, so when you go to administration, that is here on the top, and then click on information, we see that there are no plugins installed. It is the latest 5.1.1 stable version, but no plugins installed. Alright, so we are going to do it now. So please go to the archive that you have downloaded and just extract it. Now you go to the virtual machine that is running and click on machine, and here click on file manager. Just to note that this is a way of transferring files via the host machine, which is my computer, and here I'm going to log into the guest machine. The guest machine is the virtual Bitnami Redmine, so I'm going to transfer the files in this way. But there are also other ways that you can use. For example, you could use wget and paste a link with the file, so you can directly download it into the guest machine in this way. Or you could do some other file sharing into your system, or any other way that you wish. Just in our example, we are going to use this file manager. Okay, so okay, I log in into our guest machine, and it is onto the right. So onto the left it is the host machine, on the right it is a guest machine. So on my host machine, or my computer, this is the file that I have just unarchived. So here it is, Redmine Agile. So this one I'm going to move it to folder and directory that is a opt Bitnami Redmine. Okay, so I set this file, I click mark it here when I click, and then click on this blue arrow. So in this way it is now copied here. Here it is. Okay, so if you would like, you could check by going to directory opt Bitnami Redmine, and when you list the files, we see the Redmine Agile here. Okay, so we copy this file in directory opt Bitnami Redmine plugins. Sorry, we're going to use the recursively tool. So this tool is going to recursively copy all the files and subfolders of this folder. Alright, so when we go to to plugins, we see that it is now copied successfully. Now we return back and remove the Redmine Agile. Okay, it is now removed. Alright, so let's start with the installation process. The first command is the bundle install. It installs all the gems that are required for this plugin. In our case, 78 gems are now installed. Okay, it is successfully done, so we move forward to the next step. It is bundle exec rake Redmine plugins name, and here it is the name of the plugin, which in our case is Redmine Agile, and we set here rel-senf, which is production. This is the migration command. So we have maybe do something wrong. Oh, I see my mistake now. So yeah, when I return back the command, I see that instead of production, I have written O reduction. What is this word? I don't know. Okay, so I changed it to P, and it is now production. So I click enter, and we see the migration commands and logs are listed. So you have to see the same thing if it is successfully done. So here are the tables that are migrated successfully. Okay, so if you see this, then you have done your migrations successfully. Alright, so this is actually almost the last step. The last step is to restart everything. So it could be done via command sudo opt bitnami control script restart. This is the one way, and the other way is to generally restart your virtual machine via the X button here. So it is up to you which one you would like to choose. Okay, so I'm going to power off and power on again. So it is the same process of starting the Bitnami Redmine 511 on the virtual machine. Okay, so we okay, so we have successfully logged in again, and let's go to Redmine and refresh our page to see what is happening. We wait for the refresh. Okay, so now after the refreshing of the page, it seems that the Agile plugin is appearing here. So our job is successfully done. And when we go to projects, and for example this one, test project 1, we see that into the settings there is Agile and Agile backlog available into the modules. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was good for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles on RedmineUP. Bye bye for now.